How I feel about narcissists going to therapy. I personally don't work well with narcissists because I believe that they use what they learn in therapy to manipulate people outside of therapy. There are therapists that specialize in personality disorders. I'm not saying that someone who's narcissistic can't ever get help. But I warn therapists and individuals that therapy can be used as ammunition for a narcissist. They can learn different language to manipulate. If you are with someone who's narcissistic, if it is an abusive relationship, sometimes couples counseling can make it worse. So pay attention to patterns, focus on individual therapy. I'm not saying you shouldn't try couples therapy, but just be careful. If you notice that the narcissist in your life is using those things you learn in therapy against you, weaponizing them, go to individual therapy and talk with a therapist about whether it's best emotionally for you to be in a couple session, because sometimes after a session, a narcissist can be more emotionally abusive. So it's important that it's a right fit. I don't work well with narcissists. I'm way too direct with them. So if someone wants to get better, but they behave in a way that I think is really unhealthy, I will let them know. Other therapists are more patient with that process. So it's okay if you are a therapist to know that you don't work well with them, or if you are a client, that if it's not a good fit, or the therapist tells you that it's not a good fit, it's probably for a good reason. There are a lot of therapists out there. Sometimes people have to try more than one. But I also want to clarify too that narcissists can use self-help information and therapy to manipulate. So be careful of that. Unfortunately, the good information that's out there can be used to help people heal. It can also be used as a weapon by people with personality disorders.